Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast, and as promised, let's get you some earnings updates now. Axis Bank was the big earnings that came through post-market close yesterday. They posted Q3 earnings and it was a good set. So Abhishek is here to fill us in with the fine print. Abhishek?
Well, it's a good set in terms of the P&L like peers. However, there are flaws in the results as well. Net interest margin is at 30-quarter high at about 4.26%. The NII growth on a sequential basis is the best in 27 quarters and YoY growth is the best in last 26 quarters. The return ratios, they are one of the best that you are seeing in last 7.5 years, both ROA and ROE. Asset quality also one of the best in last 7-8 years or even more. However, CASA ratio is the lowest that you are seeing in last 5 quarters. This is in line with what industry peers are also seeing, and operating profit growth is one of the best that you are seeing in 26 quarters, led by the fact that cost to income ratio is at 9-quarter low. The restructured book and the watch list, they are at multi-quarter low, so the stress in the balance sheet is reducing. On the flip side, deposit momentum, now that continues to lag the industry peers as well. Just at 9.9% is the lowest in last 7 quarters. Slippages, they continue to remain elevated. Now management has said that there are one-offs, but slippages are higher than analysts estimate as well. Now corporate loan growth has actually driven the loan growth this time around. Otherwise, the retail portfolio, the traction that you are seeing for other banks, 4.5% plus growth on a sequential basis. For Axis Bank, it's at 1.5% only. So they are losing out market share on the retail portfolio. In terms of P&L, it's a beat on our poll, both on NII front as well as PAT front. So the stock may open up in the green, but let's see how it goes in the trading session today. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details on Axis earnings. Like he pointed out, the P&L did see a beat, but there are definitely some flaws in the results. So we will watch and see how the stock trades today. But we are going to get into a short break. As we do that, here's a quick programming note for our viewers. CNBC-TV18 has compiled a list of top 20 stocks to watch for this year. It is a carefully curated list of companies that warrants a closer look in 2023 based on factors like growth prospects, new launches, management changes, reforms, and lots more. As a disclaimer, this is definitely not a recommendation list, but this is a list of companies which has meaningful triggers lined up this year. So tune in at 10 a.m. today when we will give you a sneak peek into the names and reveal the list.